What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be playing with this squishy toy and just seeing what it can do, how long it'll take to do stuff. So today we're going to see if this thing can keep stuff from falling and breaking. So let's go. First thing we're going to be doing with this is the camera. It's out of battery, so I have to use my iPod, and we're gonna try to do it from this shelf, and we're gonna drop it down there. So yeah, it's time for the drop now. It is this camera. It's gonna go down there. So ready? 1, 2, 3. That didn't sound too good because it bounced up, hit this corner right there, and we just went bouncing off in there. It's out of batteries anyway, so we'll never know until we charge it. Well, on to the next thing. The next thing we're going to do is this thing right here, and we're going to drop it from the same place. Squishy donut. Squish, squish. And yeah, so let's do it right now. And it's down there again where the camera is. That makes it worse for the camera. Not this camera, but okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Didn't even really stop it from doing anything. So it survived. Whoa. So to the next thing. The next thing we're gonna do is this ornament right here. Pretty fragile. I hope this donut thing can see it. Shoutouts to all the donuts. I hope this works. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it looks fine. The donut's fine. Nothing. It's not fine. It's missing sprinkles. See those little missing lines there? Those where sprinkles are supposed to go. This one's falling off. And the big fat blue one is falling off. The donut is not okay. So guys, I couldn't find the sprinkles for this thing. And just have to go on with the show. So this is the last thing I'm going to do till the video's over. So I hope it survives. And it is a trophy that I got. It's plastic, by the way. I didn't buy it. I got it for player of the game in baseball. So it's time to drop it. Sorry about that. Dinosaur theme and those little people doing stuff. So 1, 2, 3, drop. It actually saved it. That went flying up in the air. Actually, did a backflip. It would be awesome if that landed. Well, that's all for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Smash that subscribe button. Kill the like button. Just kill it. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.